Hi, how are you doing? Okay, today is again high day. Market अच्छा कर रहा है. Are being made every day. So who's investing and who is not investing? Please important. Okay, आज actually pre touch कर गया था. Okay, and it's like I was very late yesterday in the night, so I was thinking कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, because I said that I would do this live 370 Nifty 2981. It was actually above 21k. Okay, 21k is kind of done. Okay, so okay, actually technical view अगर दूं तो Nifty is likely to find support as 20,800. 21,200 is likely to act. Bank Nifty का support is around 46,700 and 47,700 is likely to be the resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay, now the levels are kind of we have to watch them, but we have to now plan our strategy, because now clearly, like, many people are also talking about, many experts, 21,500 can be the new levels that they are watching out for. So now we have to plan our strategy, where to invest. Okay, because it becomes very important if you participate in the rally at the right time. Of course, timing the market is, you can't time it all the time, but you have to sometimes time it. Okay, so so we have to plan a strategy, and generally the stocks which I give, there's a long list of stocks, but out of which I pick and choose those which can be held for some time. Okay, so even if not only for this rally but even for some time, जैसे for example, if you look at some of the recommendations which I've given earlier, उसमें डिक्सन है, उसमें मैसगांव डॉक है, तीतागढ़ वैगन्स है, RVNL है, IRFC है, apart from the other one, GSFC, NHPC, they're still doing well. Okay, so they are not the stocks only for that momentum, but also for a, I try to give such stocks which, even if you forget to sell at the right time, you still make money. The market, I don't look into buying selling every day. I'm a patient, I'm an investor, I'm not a trader. Okay, so today also I'll give you some calls by IIFL Securities and HDFC Securities, and please use your discretion before investing. And as I always say, don't use your bread and butter money. And if you want to try FNO, please try to put a little less money in it and try to be cautious. Okay, stocks आप buy कर सकते हैं, and because we also give time frames when to sell them and all that. Okay, so you can sell them at profit. Okay, now interestingly, today Dixon is in the call. Why interestingly? Because it has already climbed a lot. It has become expensive. It is above 6,000 mark. Okay, now I gave this call a while back when it was around this 5,000 वाले के आसपास था. That was the right time to buy, but of course that time also it was expensive. So but now it's above 6,000. So उसका भी आज एक call है. Dixon is also in the call. Okay, so should we start with the call, or I'll just wrap up a little bit of markets also? Let's look at the FIIs. FIIs are back. So 3,632 rupees crore they've invested, and my throat is hurting actually. So if my voice changes in between, excuse me for that. DIIs have actually withdrawn. These are the figures for the last, which is a Friday, okay, last week. 434 crore rupees they've withdrawn. Okay. And if we look at the international markets, then Asian markets have opened mixed kind of. Nikkei is back. Sell-off tha. Aaj it is back in green, and also equities have underperformed, and US markets are also kind of stable. Okay, so so the whole macro is actually good, decent. So let's look at some of the picks. थोड़ा पानी कैसा है? We tested the waters. Now we can wade a little bit. So first I'll give you IIFL ka calls. So if you invested in HCL Tech, then it has hit an all-time high record. It has hit a 52-week high. Okay, its new target is also around 1400. Okay, I'll give you calls. First call is, I'll give you stock call. Okay, this is Karur Vaisa बैंक 159 to 160 के बीच में, टारगेट ऑफ 166 in 5 days, stop loss 156.5. Okay, this is IIFL call. Then there is another one. Now this is Dixon. Okay, you can buy Dixon at 6085 to 6130. ओके 61 के ऊपर, 6000 के ऊपर भी आप खरीद सकते हैं विद अ टारगेट ऑफ 6300 इन 5 days, stop loss 6000. ओके, सो इन 5 days का टाइम पीरियड 6300 इज द टारगेट, 6130 के बीच में डिक्सन. देन आई विल गिव यू दिस. So this target has already been met. Okay, I'll give you a couple of HDFC security calls. HDFC Securities, you can buy. Oh, ये भी हो गया. You can buy Nifty December 20,900, call at 129.85, stop loss 103, time target 167, time period 1 to 3 days. Then you can buy Inox Wind. Okay, 425 is the new target of this stock. This has been really doing well, and there's a long note by ICICI Securities on this, so you can read that. We go through that. Okay, then there is this derivative pick, Nifty December futures at 21,080.10 to 21,020 के बीच में, stop loss 20,980 for a target of 21,230. Okay, this is a buy call, time frame 1 to 3 days. Okay, then you can buy बैंक निफ्टी का एक देते हैं. Buy Bank Nifty December future at 47,455 to 47,250 के बीच में, 47,250 से 47,455 के बीच में, स्टॉप लॉस 47,150, टारगेट 47,900, टाइम फ्रेम 1 to 3 days. This is by HDFC Securities. Okay, one stock is Subro's thing. Okay, they have got an order from the railway for ACs, air conditioners. Okay, the current price when I looked at it last was around 530 CMP, but the stock has really rallied today. Okay, Mazgaon Dock is also in news. They've bagged an order from ONGC. Mazgaon Dock has already been doing well. Its CMP was around, when I saw in the morning, it was around 2140. It's already up 3 to 4% के बीच में अप है आज. तो जिन लोगों ने मैज़गांव डॉक इन सब में इन्वेस्ट किया है, they are now into profits. Okay, I have made videos on these stocks so many times. Forge का भी नया target है 6580. Forge is also just forging ahead. Cyient has a new target of 2300. Okay, then we also have a new target for RIL, Reliance. Okay, so okay, I'll give you a couple of more from IIFL Securities, then we'll wrap up this live. Okay, so you can stock दें या फिर ये दें. I'll give you stock. Okay, buy RVNL at 177 with a target of 185 in 5 days. Okay, I just spoke about RVNL. Okay, and then you can have this one more call. I have one more call by IRCTC December future 445 to 750k बीच में, stop loss 432, target of 7. Oh, I'm reading something else. Sorry, IRCTC buy December future 740. Actually, the bell rang, I got distracted. Stop loss 732, target of 763. Okay, this is a 1 to 14 days. Okay, IRCTC has been doing well. Okay, the more of traveling, people are traveling more and all that. There's one more short term call, LTI Mindtree 5,680 के बीच में, 5,680 से 5,710 के बीच में, स्टॉप लॉस 5,600, टारगेट 5,840. Actually बीच में calls keep popping up, messages, that creates some. Okay, so these are some calls for today. Okay, and do subscribe to the channel, share the video, and also comment. If you want to ask a question, you can ask also. And also the links for opening an account in IIFL Securities, HDFC Securities, and open an account there. And there are also types of account. One is iServe account for IIFL, there's premium account. For HDFC there is an all-in-one wala, and there's a Sky account. So you can choose which account you want to open. And then there's also a phone number given below. If you want to contact me through that, you can call me or WhatsApp me. If you don't want to call, you can WhatsApp also. Okay, so all the information is below. So just now at least start investing. Open that demat account. Even if you have a demat account, you can open another one. कोई extra tax वैक्स नहीं है उसके ऊपर, कोई extra charge नहीं, it's free of cost. And also we also continue to give calls throughout the day, so that it helps you in investing. Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow, and stay positive about the India story. I think the world is positive now. I don't need to say this, but I will say this because I have been. And if अभी तक नहीं हुआ है तो please अब कर लीजिए invest. Start that, at least start that SIP, and you can buy some stocks which are like Tata Motors is doing extremely well. उसका भविष्य भी अच्छा है, वो भी आप खरीद सकते हैं. Okay, so I'll see you again. I'll try to do a live again tomorrow, and आप अपना कुछ response दीजिए, and accordingly I'll also fix a time for my live, because अभी it's not fixed, because every day I'm kind of doing different things. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day and have fun, and keep watching the markets, and please stay away from FNO if you don't know anything about it, because most of the people lose their money in FNO and then they get disheartened from the market. Market has so many options to give you, so many ways to make money. So don't just go look at FNO and oh मेरा पैसा गया इसमें, अब मैं market से दूर रहूँगा. Don't do that. Okay, invest in stocks, invest in mutual funds. They are safe. Okay, so I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.